Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we'll do side sit-ups here on your spine corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So I love the side sit-ups here on the spine corrector because you can really feel the barrel underneath you and you can kind of mimic the side bend that you're supposed to be doing. It's very easy on a reformer where there's no barrel to kind of like shift and hinge and shift and hinge. And this requires a lot of your legs to work for you. So it also teaches you to use your legs in your full body work. And that's something we tend to not think about. Like we're like, oh, I'm doing side sit-ups. It's just obliques. But it's like, it's the whole body if we're doing Pilates. It's just how it goes. So we're using the OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrels flashcard deck. You saw we have a short box series. And then we also have this amazing ability to spine the side sit-ups here. So I prefer to do it with my mat with a strap. If you don't have a mat with a strap, you can still do this. It's just not going to be that easy. And hopefully you can kind of find a spotter. Okay. So I'm going to get my heel up and I'm going to get my hips stacked. And then I like to kind of just use my arm here to side the apex just to kind of get long. So once I know I've got my outer hip on, my bottom leg is pushing down. This is key to keeping everything anchored. I put my hands behind my head. Then I can go up and over the barrel and up and up. All right. And I try not to let my leg go all over the place. I want it to just stay reaching out and out, right? And it's easy to think about going down. It's almost like I should be thinking about touching the floor on the other side of the barrel, so that I don't worry about going down to side bend. You want to have the longest side bend, just like your side to side. Ooh. Make sure you do both sides. I promise you'll feel your hip a lot if you do it right. This leg is also working down, so that other hip is working. It's a full body exercise. You can make this more ideal and a little bit harder by taking your arms out and then trying to touch the top hand to the floor. And then coming back up and then reaching and lifting. Woo, woo, woo. You don't have to do very many of those to make it work. And that's what I love about Pilates. You shouldn't have to do 10 reps of everything to like get it. If you're doing things right, 3 to 5 is going to feel like a lot. It's going to feel very intense. So if that baffles you and you have questions about that, let's talk about it in the comments below. We go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering your questions. So you can join us live and ask more questions. You can put them in the comments below. We'll answer it and you can watch the replay. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. If you would like to join OPC, go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube.